Hello, tutor and students. My name is Elkin Fabian Cuellar. My ideal host. The following is to present the ideal host in which I would like to carry out admit its industrial engineer. Okay. Um, my ideal host is general manager of my own company. By my own booth to have my own company. Um, First of all, research than working in a company of products or service, it would like to be the one to create my own company. Um, Uncanny and the bright fruit in which more than Baines, the president of this world, like occupation position of general manager. Since in the field of industrial engineering has Howard carried my attention to be related to areas of the company that ran from production to the administrative parts. Okay, set my own salary. Future companies of canned and dried fruit. Okay, on the other part, vice president and general manager of the one company is one of my big challenges since inter ambition project which can about a new concept of fruit and they can enter the maker on the water and wall and the seed my own salary depends on the company long-term profits since in current work with the fruit and in sense termed business the bit continue dot innovation this world growth remarkably generating profitability to the company and thus be able to generate a new focus on the project. Okay, thank you. Your phone attention. Bye.